Students, hope all of you are fine. Students, I have completed the chapter Tribal Resistance. Today I am going to start one new chapter from your half-yearly syllabus, that is the Revolt of the 1857. Revolt of the 1857 is a landmark in Indian history because all of us know that the British entered in India by the Battle of 1757, that means the Battle of Polashi. And after exact 100 years, the revolt started. Why? Because that 100 years was a bitter experience for our Indians. Indian people suffered a lot for the British rule, British Raj actually. So in this British Raj, British started grasping everything from India. The politics, the economy of India, everything was under the control of the British. You have seen in the previous chapter that how the tribal people also revolted against the British. So in this chapter we will see how the Shipai, actually that means the soldiers, revolted against the British. The revolt of 1857, the another name of the revolt of 1857 is the Shipai Mutiny. Why? Because that revolt was started by the Shipai, Mongol Pandey, from Barakpur regiment, here Barakpur, a neighborhood of our neighborhood area of our Konnagar. So why Mongol Pandey revolt against the British, it I will explain in next class. Today I will tell you one story about the 1857 revolt. 1857 revolt is not only a revolt, it was the first starting of the nationalist movement against the British. Now you can ask me one question that ma'am, what is nationalist movement? Nationalist movement means when a foreign body attack your country and they totally occupy your country, it is known as colonialism, you know it. And when the inhabitant of that country feel that their motherland is in crisis, their motherland is now suffering for the attack of the foreign powers, they started to love their country. That feelings, that love is known as nationalism. So after 100 years of independence on British, the Indian people started to feel the love for their nation. So they started their nationalist movement against the British. So that British against British movement, first movement was that 1857 revolt. According to few historians, it is the first independence movement or first nationalist movement. Why? Because it was the first united movement. Most part of India participated in that movement. That is why it is known as the first nationalist movement. Next day I will explain you the causes of the revolt of 1857. Till then, bye bye.